Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Taking care of your health is the most important thing, especially when you are traveling or living abroad. Today, we are going to learn very useful English for going to a hospital and a pharmacy. Imagine you wake up feeling sick with a bad headache or a sore throat. Our character, Michael, is not feeling well today. His friend, Emma, helps him visit a local clinic to see the doctor, and then they go to a pharmacy to get medicine. Let's listen to their realistic conversation and learn some great medical phrases. Let's get started.
Michael, you don't look so good today. Are you okay?
Hey, Emma. No, I don't feel well. I have a bad headache and my throat is sore.
Oh no, that sounds like a cold. Let me touch your forehead. Wow, you feel warm. Do you have a fever?
I think so. My body feels heavy and I am very tired.
You should really see a doctor. Don't worry. There is a good clinic near here. I will go with you.
Thank you, Emma. I feel nervous about going to a hospital in English, but I will go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our clinic. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time. I don't have an appointment. Is that okay?
That's completely fine. Please fill out this medical form with your name, date of birth, and your symptoms.
Okay, I will write down everything. Here is my insurance card, too.
Hello, Michael. I am Dr. Davis. Please come in and take a seat. What brings you here today?
Hello, doctor. I have a headache, a sore throat, and I think I have a fever.
Let me check your temperature. It is 37.8 degrees Celsius. You have a slight fever. Open your mouth and say "ah," please.
Ah,
Your throat is quite red. It is a common cold. You need to rest at home and drink a lot of water.
is it serious, doctor? Do I need special medicine?
No, it is not serious. I will write you a prescription for your fever and sore throat. Take it to the pharmacy downstairs.
Thank you very much, Dr. Davis. I will stay home and rest.
Hello there. Can I have your prescription, please?
Hello? Yes, here is the paper from the doctor.
Thank you. I have your medicine ready. You have 2 kinds of pills. Take them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening.
Understood. Should I take them before meals or after meals?
Please take them after meals. It is much better for your stomach. Also, this medicine might make you feel a little sleepy.
Oh, a sleepy side effect? Okay, I am going to stay in bed anyway.
Perfect. No alcohol, and please finish all of your medicine for 5 days, even if you feel better.
Take twice a day, after meals, for 5 days, and drink water. Got it. Thank you so much.
How do you feel now, Michael? Did you get everything?
Yes, the pharmacist was very clear. I have my medicine now. Thank you for being such a kind friend, Emma.
You're welcome. Now let's get you home so you can sleep. Get well soon.
Useful expressions. Wonderful job! Going to the doctor in English is not scary at all when you know the right words. Let's look at 5 very important expressions from this lesson. 1. Talking about symptoms. I have a sore throat, headache, fever. To tell someone you are sick, use the pattern I have a plus symptom. A sore throat means your throat hurts when you swallow food or water. A headache means your head hurts. A fever means your body temperature is higher than normal. 2. What brings you here today? This is the classic question that doctors or receptionists ask when you enter a clinic. It simply means, why are you visiting the hospital today? Or what is your medical problem? 3. Prescription. A prescription is an official piece of paper that the doctor signs and gives to you. It has the names of the specific medicines you need. You cannot buy strong medicines without this paper. 4. Before meals versus after meals. Pay close attention to your pharmacist. Before meals means taking medicine on an empty stomach, usually 30 minutes before eating. After meals means taking medicine after you eat food, which protects your stomach from feeling sick. 5. Side effects. Side effects are the extra reactions your body has to a medicine besides curing your sickness. For example, a common side effect of cold medicine is feeling sleepy or drowsy. You did a fantastic job today. Now you can easily visit a clinic or a pharmacy abroad with total confidence. What do you usually do to feel better quickly when you catch a cold? Do you drink hot tea, sleep all day, or eat soup? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and see you in our next healthy lesson. Bye-bye.